largest shumai in the world, guys. The normal size one.
Hey, it is damn good. Ikura is like overflowing. No, that does look like a normal shumai. Shannon's special. Yeah.
Yeah.